In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cells together in Microsoft Excel. So let's imagine for this example that we want to add the purchase amount in column F and the sales tax in column G. To do that, we could then click in cell H2 and then press equals. From there, we just click on the amount we want to add in column F, add a plus sign, and then click on the amount in column G. Once we press enter, you'll see the total of those two numbers. To copy this down, we can then just click on cell H2 again, and then hover over this little green square in the bottom right until our cursor turns into this black plus sign. You can then click and hold to drag down and fill in those numbers, or you can also get that same plus sign and then just double click, and that will fill the numbers in and copy that formula down as long as there's data to the side of that column. So this is a really quick way to add a couple numbers together. But imagine that we were trying to add all the numbers in column F, for instance. That would be a lot of work to say equals F2 plus F3 plus F4. So there are faster ways to do this in Excel. So let me show you that now. To add up column F, we can select this cell F26, and then we can say equals. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the sum function. So to use the sum function, we're going to type SUM, capital letters, and I'm just going to drag all the way down to the bottom where I want it to stop summing. So now if I press enter, you'll see that I have a sum for this entire column. If you're lazy like me, you can also do this really quickly by using the AutoSum feature of Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the cell where we want our results to appear, and then we're going to go up to the Home tab, and then we're going to click on this AutoSum option. And that's going to take and create the sum function that we wrote out earlier, but with a single click of a button. Now if we press enter, we'll see that our sales tax column is added as well. If you want to take this a step further, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. So to do this, I'm going to click on cell H2, and then on Windows, I'm going to press Control and Shift and then the down arrow, and that is going to select all of the data in the column. And now here's where the magic happens. If I press Alt and the equal sign at the same time, you see that I now have the sum of column H. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.